everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome back to my channel. If anyone's new, welcome. WYGO stands for When You Get Old. I am 55 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you've stopped by because you're curious what I received in the March 2022 Macy's beauty box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. I am super excited. Boo, boo, boo. This here is a new box to my channel to be unboxing. I have been trying to get this box for over a year. Long story short is there was a time where you had to be on a waiting list. I went on the waiting list. Last June, I want to say, they said, yay, congratulations. And then I was having trouble. Every time I went to my account and to click the button, it was this circular thing. It would send me to go sign up for the wait list. I don't know. I tried every month or so when I'd watch somebody else's unboxing, I'd be like, oh yeah, let me go see if it works. No. So then, when was it? January, it finally dawned on me. I don't know why it took me so long, but I thought, you know what? Maybe something's messed up with my account. So I created a new email account, signed up, and lickety split. Guess what? I got a box. Well, I signed up in January, or maybe towards the end. I don't know. They were like, well, your first box will be March. And this box is only $15. Now, you don't typically get full-size items, although every blue moon you will get one. Sometimes there's a bag. Sometimes there isn't. Sometimes there's something weird and different. I think once there was a pair of underwear in here. But you will always get a Macy's gift card or discount code. Typically it's $5. Sometimes it's for $10 off. And almost always, but not always, there are some perfume samples. So enough jibber jabber. Let's dive into this box. How cute. The little sticker there says, open, have fun, repeat. I honestly hope I can do what the sticker's telling me to do. Okay, so there's tape on the box, but then there's like a perforated thing under all these mailing stickers. Give me a second to get into this bad boy. All right, after I thoroughly destroy the box, I can pull out the lovely pink tissue paper, which is wrapped around, oh, I was going to say all the products. No, there's a few outside. It does come with a little booklet, which will have the prices, so we don't want it, little sneak peeks. And we did get a $5 off coupon code. All right, what is the first item here? Outside of the box, it says Girl Power. And what is this? It feels like paper or like a notebook, maybe envelopes. I don't know. Oh, it's just a cute little blank notebook. All right. Who doesn't need something to write down shopping list items or when someone calls and you're leaving a message? Can't be mad at it. Is it beauty related? No, but it's cute. All right, let's unwrap this. And for my first box, first of all, this seems very small, no bag, and it's very light. So please don't let the first one disappoint me. All right, so the first item, what is this? I see the word warrior. I'm a warrior. This is from someone called NATASHA MOOR, and it's warrior. What is it? Oh, it's a makeup sponge. No wonder it weighed nothing. Oh, I like it. It's a new and different shape. Let me take it out of the plastic. So we've had sponges where it has the slice, but it has the slice on both sides, slightly longer here than here. I like how pointy. That will be great for concealer, the little edges if you want to contour. All right, let's see if the booklet says what the price of that is. This is intended for under the eyes, and the angle is to help with that and help there. And it retails for $16. All right, one full-size item. What is this? Yes, this is makeup. This is from NUDESTIX, and it's nudes. It's an all-over face bronzer. That is what the shade looks like. Let's do a swatch. All right, that would be perfect for me. However, I am very fair, meaning yay for me, but if you have medium to dark skin tones, you probably would be disappointed that you got this in your box. I, however, am excited and yay to makeup. Allure, you watching? Okay, next item. What is this little itty bitty teeny bottle? This here is called Sea Salt Surf. Oh, okay, and it's a roll-on eau de parfum. So earlier when I said no perfume, I was incorrect. I was expecting, like from the known brands, you get that little cardboard fold over with a little tube. Let's see, what does this smell like? I swear I've smelled something very similar. I'm the worst at describing scents. Let me see what the little booklet has to say. Okay, so this here is from a brand called Broken Top Candle Company, and it's a Sea Salt Surf Eau de Parfum roll-on. It is described as soft, calming, and made for every day. This coastal scent is a necessity for your morning routine. MCT oil, organic jojoba oil, and essential oils create a dynamic fragrance with the notes of sea salt, jasmine, and wood. The full size retails for $26. How to use: spritz onto pulse points or everywhere. We won't judge. That's cute and clever. This does not have a spritz. I presume they were referring to the full size. This just has an opening where you kind of drip it on out. Hopefully I didn't get too much. Let's give it a sniff. It's nice. It's very subtle. It smells very soft, very subtle. I would say, yeah, they described it well. Kind of sea, earthy, not obnoxious. I'm going with that. All right, what else came in this box? What is this? We have from Anastasia Beverly Hills, the Brow Wiz. It's a skinny brow pencil. And what shade? This here is in medium brown. I'm not even gonna, I think it's taped. I don't know if this small travel size, there's a picture of a spoolie. So I don't know if it's really tiny with crayon on one end, spoolie on the other, or on a sample if it's all crayon. But because it's a medium dark brown, I'm just going to put this aside for a giveaway or maybe give to my mom. All right, and the last item, don't know what it is, but I do know who it's from. This is from GIRLACTIK. Are you full size? What is this? Oh, I got all excited until I saw the first word. This is Rose Oil Petal Gloss. Oh, if it's a gloss, I'm cool. When I saw rose oil, you know how I feel about rose. What is this? Oh, how pretty. Hopefully that picks up on camera. It's like clear, but then there's like rose or some kind of floral in the bottle. That is gorgeous. Please don't smell like roses. It doesn't smell like roses, but I couldn't tell you what it does smell like. It's very soft, very subtle, and I think I'm picking up the perfume. Maybe it doesn't have a scent. I don't know. It does not smell like roses, so that's good. I already have a lot of lip products on, including a gloss, but let's see what will show up. It's one of those products where not a lot comes out on the applicator, and you have to kind of dip back in numerous times, which is not my favorite. Oh, there we go. Not sticky. Not super thick, but leaning more thick than regular or thin. I honestly don't think it has a scent, and that I was picking up the scented oil. All right, well, will I use this? Yes. Is it beautiful? Look at that. Oh, I wouldn't. That is so pretty. Reminds me of like a snow globe or one of those pens from the 70s with, you put it upside down. Is it the best? No. But she's pretty and I will use it. I'm going to guess this is full size. If not, something will float on screen. And this retails for $20. So for a $15 box, we got some good items. All right, let's just recap everything that came in the box. We got a face blending sponge, a sample size cream bronzer, a sample roll-on perfume oil, a sample Brow Wiz from Anastasia Beverly Hills, a cute little notebook, and a lip oil from GIRLACTIK. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are not too shabby for $15. This sponge alone paid for the box. Super excited. I love cream face products. This is beautiful, and who can't use some form of a clear lip gloss? I love trying perfumes. Is this my favorite? No, but is it bad or obnoxious where I wouldn't wear it? No, I will use this. Non-beauty related, but I am always looking for a piece of paper to jot something down. And now I have something that clearly is mine that I know if my husband takes, I'll be like, hey, it's bright pink. It's mine, leave it be. We have this issue where he takes all my pens, all my reader glasses, and any form of paper product, whether it's Post-it notes, notepads, whatever. He takes it to use and then it disappears. I don't know where this stuff goes. They're off in sock land. You know, you do laundry and you miss a sock. Readers, pens, pads of paper. They all live on the same lost island. All right, I'm going to list the MSRP total. Let's see what the value is for a $15 box. So this box I've been wanting to get for some time. Honestly, the main reason is because I wanted to try more fragrances and perfumes. So that's lovely. And then this was heavier on makeup than I've ever seen in an unboxing. Usually it's a lot of bougie, really small travel sample size skincare. I don't think we got any skincare, did we? We got beauty sponges makeup, the contour or the bronzing cream stick, that's makeup. Brow product, that's makeup. Lip gloss, that's makeup. Whoa, my mind is blown. 4 of the 6 items were makeup. Let me know if you've watched other people unbox this, if you were aware Macy's had a box, if you enjoy boxes like this. If you're like, well, for $15, it's only $2 more than the Ipsy Glam Bag. I don't know, but we did get more. We got 6 items instead of 5 and a $5 off, don't steal my code, Macy's coupon code. I don't know. I'm excited. I needed a new box in my life. So there we go. All right. I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click the bell icon so you're notified of future videos. And if you could do me a huge favor, click that thumbs up. It really does help with my channel to grow. All right. Thanks, everyone.